Welcome to the second lecture on ratio and proportion in the ratio and proportion playlist. We're still busy looking at ratios in their most basic form. Yesterday we looked at what a ratio is, and if you would like to follow me daily and you haven't really pressed subscribe yet, you're welcome to press subscribe below, and you can go look at the stuff we've already discussed on my channel, and then you can also begin to follow daily to help you with your maths. Right, so let us look at how to reduce a ratio into its lowest terms. Because we learned yesterday that ratios have to be reduced into the lowest terms, much like fractions have to be reduced. So if we have our ratios here, and we learned yesterday they come in these three formats. A fraction, so that would be 20 is to 25, 20 is to 25, and 20 to 25. Those are the three ways we can see ratios presented to us. So we now repeated them at the bottom. We're going to reduce them by dividing them by their greatest common factors. And the greatest common factor of 20 and 25 is 5. So we divide the numerator and the denominator by 5. And we do the same on the next one in the next format here. We divide the 20 by 5 and the 25 by 5. And then we also divide them again in that format there at the end. 20 over here by 5 and 25 by 5. And we'll end up reducing them down to 4/5. 4 is to 5 and 4 to 5. Okay, let's just do one more. So if we have another fraction of 100 is to 125, and it's also written in a different format here, 100 to 125 and 100 to 125. Greatest common factor here would be, I think, 25, yeah. So we'll end up then with dividing that by 25, and then this will be 25 will go into 100 4 times, and it'll go into 125 5 times. We're back to 4/5. It's funny, it's just worked out like that. It's a completely different fraction. And then this one will also be 4/5. 4 is to 5, basically. It's another way of writing a ratio. And this one will be written as 4 to 5. Okay, so you've got now an idea of how we reduce ratios. Very much the same as the way we reduce fractions. You've always done them with greatest common factors, and we used it here as well. And tomorrow we'll look at more in-depth working with ratios.